finally getting rid of the turf. I put it up on Facebook Marketplace and seriously it sold so quickly. I was actually kind of surprised. I lost a little bit of money on it. I think I bought all of it for like $185. And he's just giving me 100. I'm like, I'll take it. Like, I just want to get rid of it because some people wanted to buy it in pieces and I'm like, I just want to get rid of all of it. And then we have the blue turf. So it's not even turf, it's just like carpet stuff, but I put a foam pad under it. So now I have to just go, I don't know, I think I might just get a staple gun for the outer edges. And then I might put a, what do you call it, like a transition strip right here. Also, I think I talked about how crappy this Titan Fitness cable thing is. All of a sudden it just started working. I really don't know what I did, but it works. It works perfectly fine, so I'm going to keep it. Like when I'm lifting in here, I'm constantly like trying to figure out how I can make things a little bit better, so that's why sometimes I like to go somewhere else to lift so that I can just like shut off. Because people always ask like, why do you lift at different gyms when you have your own gym? But it's like, one, I like to get out of the office. I lift here like quite a bit during the week, like probably 3 days out of the week, so. But it's nice too to like go to different gyms because to be honest, that is how I market. That's how I get a lot of patients, to be honest, is by going to the gym. So it's nice to go to other gyms, one, to kind of like shut off. Otherwise, if I'm here, I'll like continue to work between sets. It's so annoying, so stupid. But yeah, I like to get out of the office. I like to market. And it's just like nice to change up the scenery a little bit. I'm considering getting a lifetime membership in Eagan here. But if you know anything about like lifetime memberships, they have like all these different levels, and the one in here in Eagan is like the platinum level, so it's like $80 a month. I'm like, I don't really know if that's worth it. I don't know, especially if I'm only going there like twice a week. So I don't know. It's super nice, don't get me wrong, super nice, but that's a little, I don't know. I might just do it though because again, it's good marketing for myself. So I'm waiting on this guy. I hope he's on time to come pick this up, because sometimes with these people off Marketplace, I've had pretty good luck, but that's because I was the one to go pick it up. But anytime someone comes to pick it up, they're always late, always. And I'm not talking like 5 minutes, I'm talking like hours. And that's super annoying because I have other things to do, you know? So hopefully he shows up. And I didn't want to bring it downstairs because I was like scared he just wouldn't show up, because that's what happened last time. The guy just like didn't show up. So, and then he tried to ask for a job. I was like, no.
Many hours later.
What are we training? Yeah.
5 curls.
Okay. I start with just the bar. How many reps?
8.
Are you doing it in the thing like this? Mm-hmm. This wide?
Mm-hmm.
How high do I need to bring it? Not super steady? It's heavier than I thought.
dumbbells.
Yes.
Curl. Hammer.
Okay, so alternating,
Yep.
hammer. Okay.
All the way. Stay there if you can.
Next time.
Okay.
All right, we just wrapped up a little bis and tris workout, which I like never do, but why the heck not? And then I'm gonna adjust them quick. I got a new and improved, upgraded table. It has the drop pieces, but to be honest, I don't use drop pieces a whole lot. The only reason I ever use them is like if I have trouble adjusting someone, or sometimes you can use them for like extremities and stuff, but for the most part I've learned to not use drop pieces because my table never had it. So yeah, I just like hardly ever use them, but it just kind of helps you get that extra oomph without like having to slam into someone, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna adjust this guy real quick. What's your main concern, sir? Upper back, correct?
Upper back, middle back, everything.
Okay, everything. Also, someone finally came to pick up the turf.
Ribs.
Oh, we're going. Oh, okay. Yeah. Someone finally came up. The guy that was supposed to pick it up yesterday was flaky. Said he was gonna pick it up yesterday. Said he was gonna pick it up today. Nowhere to be found. So, the next lucky candidate got it. Finally, just got it off my hands. Paid me. Done. Though that was a hit though. That turf, like, geez, it was a hit. People wanted it. So let's get to the adjustment so we can get out of here because it's been a long day and I'm hungry. Scoot down just a little bit.
No.
this side for me. Let's scoot over just a little bit. Wow. That way, that way. Relax it. Push up into my hand. Relax. And push up. Harder. There you go. Relax. I think I might have to do the Occiput one.
I can see the bright blue skies now that you're gone. I don't need a goddamn thing.